You price the job, you do the work, and at the end, the money isn't what you expected. Sound familiar? It happens to contractors constantly. And in most cases, it's not one big thing that went wrong. It's a dozen small things that nobody put in the estimate. These are the hidden costs, the time spent driving to the supply house twice because you forgot something, the dumpster that ran over because the job created more debris than you planned, the crew sitting idle for 2 hours waiting on an inspection, the materials that got damaged on site and had to be replaced, the extra day it took because the conditions weren't what you expected. None of those things are unusual. They happen on almost every job. The problem is that most contractors don't account for them in advance. And when you add up all those small losses across a dozen jobs in a year, you're talking about real money. Here's the approach that works. Build a contingency into every estimate. A buffer, typically 3 to 7% of job cost, that exists specifically to absorb the unexpected. Review your completed jobs, what cost more than you estimated. Build that history into your future estimates, and be honest when you estimate time. Add setup, cleanup, travel, and waiting time. The clock doesn't stop just because you're not swinging a hammer. Stop being surprised by hidden costs. Start expecting them and pricing for them. Go to easyconstructionestimating.com to build better estimates.